Hi everyone, Eid Mubarak to all of you, and we are here. I am at my mom's place. Kids, whatever my kids wore are made by me, and I customize their dresses. And let me know in the comment section, and please send me your pictures as well, that what you guys wore on Eid day and how did you spend your Eid day. So I just wanted to come and say Eid Mubarak to everyone. For Iraj, it was more of like a Angarkai style, a traditional wear. I decided for her, and for Isma, it was a churidar and A-line shirt, and for Insha, it was a ball gown, and it has like 3 layers. And for myself, I wore a gift of my husband, which he brought from Pakistan, and that's it for detailed pictures of my daughters. You have to check their Kids Club Adventure channel, and I will try to start uploading the regular videos from next week, because I have a lot of videos to upload. I have stitched a lot, so I will try to upload it from next week, hopefully, fingers crossed. And I will talk to you guys in my upcoming videos, hopefully very soon. Until then, enjoy the Eid parties, Eid outings, and everything else, and have fun, guys. Keep me in your prayers, and take care. Bye for now.